443 horsepower, quicker top operation and optional PASM Sport Suspension available for the first time. Just weeks after the spectacular premiere of the 8th generation of Porsche 911 in Los Angeles, the latest generation of 911 Carrera S and 4S Cabriolet models are celebrating their debut. Featuring a solid glass rear window and integrated magnesium support elements, their automatic fabric top opens or closes in approximately 12 seconds at speeds of up to 31 miles per hour. Like the recently introduced coupe models, both the 911 Carrera S and 4S Cabriolet now feature the wider body adopted from the previous generation 911 Carrera 4 and GTS models. The flat-6 turbocharged engines make 443 horsepower in the S models. Power is delivered by a new 8-speed, dual-clutch transmission. Complementing the increase in engine performance, the PASM Sport Suspension featuring stiffer springs and sway bars as well as a 0.39-inch 10mm lower ride height is optionally available on the new 911 Carrera S and 4S Cabriolet models for the first time. Previously, it was only available for S and GTS Coupe models. Redesigned PASM dampers, optional adaptive 18-way sport seats plus with improved lateral support, and extended digital features all ensure greater comfort and everyday usability. The exterior design has been revamped and underlines the leap in performance of the new Porsche 911. Significantly wider wheel housings arch over large 20-inch front wheels and 21-inch rear wheels. At the front, the body width has increased, making room for a wider front track. Correspondingly, the rear body width on the new 911 Carrera S Cabriolet has increased. The 911 Carrera 4S Cabriolet retains this width from the previous generation all-wheel drive model. Flush integration of the electric door handles that extend outward when needed emphasizes the tapered and smooth side contour. Between the new standard LED headlights, the front luggage compartment lid with pronounced contours evokes the design of the first 911 generations. The rear is dominated by the significantly wider, variable position rear spoiler and the seamless, elegant light bar which is now a feature on both 2- and 4-wheel drive variants. With the exception of the front and rear fasciae, the entire outer skin is now made of aluminum. The fabric top is equipped with new hydraulics for smoother and quicker operation, reducing the opening time to around 12 seconds. As before, the top is capable of being opened and closed at speeds of up to 31 miles per hour. An electric wind deflector reduces drafts during top-down cruising. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends.